this video, we are going to see how we can change any kind of upload default settings on YouTube. So first of all, we head over to the right hand corner and click on the channel profile icon and click on the YouTube Studio. And from here, we head over to the settings section. Click on that. And from here, we hit upload defaults. From here, we can add a predefined title if for most of the videos you use that in your title, let's say step-by-step guide. So you don't need to enter that every single time. You just add a title behind that and it will automatically show up a particular description, a particular title, or the visibility settings. You can also make some of the tags settings by default. And under the advanced settings, you can set a default on how the category should be, what video language it should be in, should the comments be turned on or turned off, or the monetization policy and so on. And after that, you just save it like this. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.